the potential uncertainties and challenges that the year 2024 may bring. While it is crucial to approach the future with a balanced perspective, it is equally important to consider the potential scary scenarios that could unfold in the coming year. First and foremost, the global community remains on edge due to the ongoing threats posed by climate change. Scientists and experts have long warned us about the consequences of environmental neglect, and 2024 may present us with some of the most daunting challenges yet. Extreme weather events, rising sea levels, and disruptions to ecosystems could escalate, putting vulnerable communities at even greater risk. It is imperative that we collectively address these issues and work towards sustainable solutions to safeguard our planet for future generations. Another cause for concern is the rapid advancement of technology, particularly in the realm of artificial intelligence. While AI has the potential to revolutionize various industries, there is a growing apprehension about its ethical implications and the potential for job displacement. As we enter 2024, we must grapple with the societal and economic implications of these technological advancements, ensuring that they benefit humanity as a whole rather than exacerbating existing inequalities. On the geopolitical front, tensions between nations continue to simmer, and there is a palpable fear that 2024 could witness an escalation in conflicts. The world is interconnected, and the consequences of international disputes can have far-reaching impacts on global stability. It is incumbent upon world leaders to engage in diplomatic dialogue and seek peaceful resolutions to disputes, fostering cooperation rather than confrontation. Additionally, the ongoing public health challenges, exemplified by the recent global pandemic, remind us that the threat of infectious diseases is ever present. As we move into 2024, it is crucial that we remain vigilant in our efforts to combat emerging health crises, investing in research, preparedness, and international collaboration to protect the well-being of our global community. In conclusion, while the prospect of what may unfold in 2024 can be daunting, it is essential that we approach these challenges with a spirit of resilience, collaboration, and innovation. By acknowledging the potential scary scenarios, we empower ourselves to take proactive measures to address them. Let us strive to create a future where humanity overcomes its challenges, working together to build a more sustainable, equitable, and secure world for all. Thank you.